Hi there, this is Samantha from the Law Offices of Samantha Wolfe. And the next question in our What If series is what if I have an irrevocable trust and I want to get rid of it? So, here in our office, we may use an irrevocable trust for asset protection planning. And so, we sometimes get asked, worst case scenario, if I wanted to get rid of this trust, how do I do that? And so, in Pennsylvania, you can always provide for that in the trust document. So, for example, when I'm drafting it, I can ask, are there certain situations which you want to be able to terminate this trust? And we can talk through all those different scenarios of when you would want that to happen. In Pennsylvania, there's also a Pennsylvania statute that says how you can get rid of an irrevocable trust. So if I create an irrevocable trust and I transfer assets to it and I want to terminate it in Pennsylvania, there is a statute that says as long as I agree and all of my beneficiaries agree, I can terminate an irrevocable trust. It doesn't require court approval as long as I'm still living and I consent and all of my beneficiaries consent. If, however, I have passed away and I created an irrevocable trust, then my beneficiaries can petition a court to terminate the trust, but it would require court approval unless the trust document allows for termination under certain conditions. So, again, we can always create a provision in the trust that says under these conditions, the trust can be terminated. If that's not included in the trust, then it would require court approval. So if you have a trust already in existence, or if you're thinking about creating a trust, I'd be happy to talk to you about the ways that you can handle a trust if you'd want to terminate it or make changes to it. And you can reach us at 717-655-2676. And I'd be happy to talk to you about all of your options related to the trust. And I'm happy to review